Okay, I've been having nothing but trouble pinging my network for the last 20 minutes. Couldn't figure out what was going on, then I went to go check on my gateway, and just showing you what I mean when I say it was pinging 192.168.254, and I know that my host or my other client on this network is at 0.3, comes back as a 0. If I ping the very machine I'm on, it works, because this is, if I do IP config all, you can see that that's the IP of this machine. Ping 127.0.1, that's the network card, that works. Ping 192.168.254.254, that's pinging the router. Now 192.168.254.3, that's my other machine, but for whatever reason it won't go to the other machine on the network. Request times out. This has significant problems, or causes significant problems. So what I did, capable of testing your DSL service, individual blah blah blah, fail status, click on run diagnostics. Alright, so I'm going to run the diagnostics. You can see already that I have a fail here, but I'll run it for your benefit. And you can see I've got fail here. So I think what I'm going to do, press blah blah. I can also reset the gateway to factory by use all defined configuration will be lost. That's fine. I don't really care. I'm going to reboot it. Yes. Okay, it's fine. So now it's going to refresh, and I don't know what that means, but I'm hoping it's going to fix this Siemens gateway. Just all of the lights went red, light just went green, 2 lights green, one's flashing now. So I'm going to let it do its thing, and then hopefully when we come back it will be ready to roll with pinging and SSH and all that kind of groovy stuff. Well, I've run the diagnostics again, and I've got a couple of fails. End-to-end ping, IP address test, the assigned IP address, that failed. So let's see what happens out here. We'll go to the latest headlines, see if it works. Looks like it's not going to work. Connected, received, repair. Let's see, 254.1 signed by DHP blah blah. Finish. You can try connecting again. Okay. Close. Let's go out here. Problem loading page. No, I don't want that. I want latest headlines. And groovy. Looks like we've got a problem. Oh goodness. Yeah, I can see my connections. Network 2 is unplugged, but this one looks like it's working. Connected, firewalled, properties, speed, packets, received. It should work, but I'm getting nowhere on that. CNN.com. That's not working. Ping 192.168.254.254. That's working. That's an improvement. How about another machine on the network. That's not working. How about the same machine? That is working. How about Yahoo? That's not working. How about ESPN? That's not working. How about CNN? That's not working. So I've got failures. The ISP connection is down. It's currently managed to click on that to change its settings. Okay, what settings? Click on the connection settings. There's nothing to click. Don't know what this is. Still don't know what that is. Gateway health. Diagnostics. Run diagnostics. Getting some more passes and some more, well, same. Home network. Oh, look at that. 254 through 2.541. That's not right. I need to set the end IP range. Well, maybe that would explain it. Let's go to 4 here. Default gateway. Host name enable. Okay, domain invalid. DNS server, yes. Apply. Okay, reboot. Great, got to reboot now. The joys of networking. As a crowning irritant, I see that this says the DSL connection information. The connection is up. Well, there's my stats, but when I go over here, you can see it's down. In fact, I don't have any connection now. IP range, la la. Speed stream, IP address for the router. Statistics up, and it's still down. Security. I'm logged in as admin. It's still down. View the routing table. There's nothing to route. Rebooting, didn't do anything. Enable user profile, I don't care about that. Number of DHCP clients. This is funny. It says I'm running Linux, but I'll show you how funny that is, because 192.168.254.1, that's this machine. I'm not running Linux. At least not on that machine. Oh lordy. Okay, nothing but problems now. Goodbye. Happy networking, and do share any of your screencasts that you come across. Ciao.